Summer camps across the country have been canceled. But that doesn't mean summer fun has to be canceled too. The new at-home summer fun family fun kit is the answer to engaging your children with fun and constructive learning activities at home. Our at-home summer camp kit is fully downloadable and has everything you need. It incorporates 12 character pillar lessons that teach positive character in creative ways, fun activities to reinforce each lesson, printable journal activities, and an easy-to-read instruction manual for anybody to use. Together, your family will explore principles such as love, faith, self-control, respect, and much more. And get this, at the end of every single activity, there are clickable links that take you to web pages full of helpful resources. So what are you waiting for? Get the at-home summer camp kit today at moreofrachel.com. Your kids are gonna love it.